The magic of Hong Kong.
Mind-blowing cyberpunk drone video of the craziest Asia city by Timelab.pro.
Wow, that's quite the title. And if their minds are blown, are they jet lagged right now, you think?
Maybe they could be very warrior-like.
Yeah, probably jet lagged warriors.
Well, I just imagine down in these streets. No insult to the Hong Kong people. I'm sure some people are friendly, but I just imagine down in these streets, there's like a ton of service workers very quickly shoving you your food and telling you to get on buses right now.
And like people pushing giant carts directly down the middle of the sidewalk and expecting
Yeah.
you to move.
Yeah, that's our impression of Hong Kong. But other than those people, we did meet some friendly people, and the city is beautiful. Lots to do, of food to try, especially McDonald's.
Yeah, we ate at McDonald's in Hong Kong. If you want to check out that video, check out our travel vlog channel. Link in the description below. We went to Hong Kong, ate some of the Hong Kong food. I did get food poisoning in Hong Kong, so we weren't able to eat as much as we would have. But we still ate a decent amount, so check it out.
If you're wondering why we're watching a drone video of Hong Kong if we've already been there, it's because we didn't actually get really the big view of the city on the Lion Mountain or whatever the heck it's called because it was gloomy and such.
The whole time. Like the mountains and the buildings were shrouded in clouds. That was a bit sad. But next time, if we ever go there, because every hotel is like $100 a night.
Even some ones that got raided by police.
Are you talking about our experience?
That happened, yeah.
Check out our video. Let's do this. Here we go. Skyline's crazy. And the metro line was very efficient.
Very.
Let's turn this down a bit. I don't think there's going to be anything but music on here. We'll be able to talk over the whole thing.
Very dense city, too.
Oh, yeah. Surprisingly, like, I don't recall the traffic being, like, super bad. We didn't really get in cars or anything, but I didn't see too much traffic.
Yeah, I wonder what car ownership rates are like.
Oh. Who's flying this drone? They're mad. Oh, wow. We didn't see that.
Lame. Wow, that's a shot right there. That's so cool.
And now they're peeking in people in their hotel room. What the heck? Whoa. Crazy. Crazy place. I'd like to go to Hong Kong again. Kind of.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things we didn't do.
There's a lot of food we didn't eat.
Yeah, there is.
We also went to the neighbor of Shenzhen in China recently as well. Interesting seeing the difference between Shenzhen and Hong Kong, even if they're right next to each other.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, actually, how different they really were.
Whoa.
What the heck was that market?
That was massive and busy as nuts. Someone let us know what that is.
We tried to find the markets too, but we couldn't find them. We looked on Google. We never saw this. Maybe it was just on a day we weren't there. That always happens.
Yeah, there's so many people. My God.
That would probably actually be awful to be in there.
Yeah.
Do you remember Nathan Road?
That was unbearable for us.
Couldn't even walk. It was so busy. Wow. I want to go to the mountains so bad. The mountains look amazing. We recently saw the cable car by the airport, and that looks so cool. Wow.
The contrast on this video is really ramped.
It is. It makes it look more intense. That's a lot of crates.
It's like we're playing Shipment.
Shipment 24/7. Where it's 18 people. Oh, they got their Lambo there.
Oh, yeah. Double-decker buses.
I like that they're showing like, what the heck?
Where was that?
Produced by Andrew. Thank you, Andrew. Wow, they have credits for this. We went on that bridge, by the way.
Biggest bridge in the world over water? Okay, so we clearly missed a lot of things in Hong Kong.
Yeah, I mean, me getting sick definitely didn't help a lot
Yeah.
of things. I got sick like the
Yeah.
first night. Which, are you kidding me right now?
What the heck?
Hong Kong supports the H-Man? Mustache
Oh.
Man?
No, that is not good. We cannot go there anymore because we don't have blonde hair.
Nope, sorry guys. The blue eyes aren't going to do it. You got to have both. But yeah, we've missed so much. And this video was 3 minutes and we're like, wait, what the heck is that? What the heck is that?
So, local Hong Kongers or anyone that's been to Hong Kong, let us know more things we missed.
The thing we usually do when we go to new places is we don't know anybody from these places, so we just kind of go, and it's kind of fun to experience a place for the first time knowing nothing. But then the
Just walk
second
the
time we
streets.
go, yeah, just walk the streets, find food, see what happens. Then the second time we go, we'll take more advice because we're already past the exploration part. Now we just want to find the best of the best.
Yeah, so like the second time we'll get all the food people suggested. They're like, whoa, you didn't eat that. You're a stupid idiot. Oh, you didn't go here? Why would you go to this? Would you fly across the country? No, you don't go here. You fly across the world and eat that? What are you doing? We take all the advice the second time.
Yeah, and the angry people will just be angry either way. And then we'll eat the food they said, and they'll be like, that's not the right version of that food, excuse me.
You didn't put the sauce and the chili combined in. I don't care if you like chilies or not. You didn't put it on.
Did you? Yeah, that's literally our experience. I mean, we're posting India videos right now on our vlog channel, and then we have the people that are like, you overpaid for that, and then the people will be like, why are you even haggling?
You're saving 50 rupees? That's like $1. You're rich because you're white.
There's our rant about vlogging.
It's got to be in there somewhere. It's Tri-Fade.
Check out our Hong Kong videos. Even though I was sick and we didn't get to experience everything because of the weather and just having not many days in the city, it was still a fun time. You should check it out. Next time we go, we're going to the mountains for sure. We're going to check out a lot of the foods we didn't get to check out and go to some of these like off the beaten, not downtown areas that we didn't get to see last time.
Suggest us cheap things because we're cheap.
Put them down in the comments below. We don't want any $100 a day excursions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
See you in the next one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.